Welcome to Kaiju Mathematics. In this video, I will be evaluating a limit as x approaches a value with an asymptote. If you like this content and you need more math and calcudoku in your life, please consider subscribing, and thank you for watching. Next example, I have the function of 1 over x minus 3. 1 over x minus 3 here. So the limit as x approaches 3, so we want to take the limit as x approaches 3 from the left, and we want to take the limit as x approaches 3 from the right. So we want to look at both directions, 3 from the left, 3 from the right. So let's see, 3 from the left, we want to take some x values. X approaches 3 from the left, so that's going to be 2.9, and then 2.99, and then 2.999. Let's go ahead and fire those out real quick. So 1 divided by 2.9 minus 3 is going to be negative 10. It's kind of interesting. Let's try 2.99. So 1 divided by 2.99 minus 3 is negative 100. Okay. 1 divided by 2.999 minus 3 is negative 1,000. So this is a lot different because we're going negative 10, negative 100, negative 1,000. It's just going to keep doing that. So where is this heading? This is heading off into negative infinity. So as x approaches 3, from the left, it's going towards negative infinity. Let's look at to the right. Let's see what's happening from the right of this value. So let's start off with 3.1. So as we approach 3 from the right, 3.1, so 1 divided by 3.1 minus 3 is 10. Then we're going to do 3.01. So 1 divided by 3.01 minus 3 is 100. And then we're going to do 3.001. So 1 divided by 3.001 minus 3 is 1,000. So where is this going to? This is going towards positive infinity. Positive infinity there. Because it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. No bound. Same here, but different direction. It's getting smaller and smaller and smaller with no bound. So if I just keep evaluating that as it approaches 3, it's going to go towards negative infinity, positive infinity. And the reason that I didn't talk about the domain first is because I just wanted to look at this and just establish what is happening here as we approach 3. But the reason being, if we look at the domain, look what happens. If I evaluate x minus 3 equals 0 and solve for x at 3 over, x equals 3, that means x cannot equal 3. I mean, there's something happening here. An asymptote is what's happening at x equal to 3. So at x equal to 3, there is an asymptote. So since we evaluated from the left, we evaluated from the right, they're not going to the same spot. So this would be an example of does not exist. Does not exist. They are going 2 different directions. And the reason being is that asymptote. So this, as we approach 3 from the left, is going towards negative infinity. So it's going to do something like this. It's going to go towards negative infinity. It's going to travel right down that asymptote, go towards negative infinity. And then as we come from the right, it's going to go towards positive infinity. So it's going to just travel down that asymptote all the way forever and ever and ever and ever, never crossing over that to asymptote. So this is going towards negative infinity down here. This is going towards positive infinity up here. So therefore, the limit does not exist. They're going to 2 different spots. We also have a horizontal asymptote here. So it does not exist.